Are you struggling to upgrade your Python version in the Bash on Ubuntu on Windows? You're not alone. Many users find this process a bit tricky, but today we're going to simplify it for you. I totally get it. Upgrading Python can feel overwhelming, especially when you're not sure where to start. It's a common concern, and I'm here to help you navigate through it. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how do I upgrade Python in the Bash on Ubuntu on Windows? And where exactly is my Unix subsystem? This is a great question, and it's something many users wonder about. So what's the deal with upgrading Python? The Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL, allows you to run a Linux environment directly on Windows. However, upgrading Python isn't as straightforward as it might seem. Let's break it down. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make managing your Python versions a breeze. To begin upgrading Python in the Windows Subsystem for Linux, the user should first check the current version of Python installed. This can be done by opening the Bash terminal and typing the command python3-version. Next, the user needs to update the package list to ensure they have the latest information. This can be accomplished by running the command sudo apt update in the terminal. After updating the package list, the user can upgrade Python by running the command sudo apt upgrade python 3. This will install the latest version available in the repository. Once the upgrade is complete, the user should verify the installation again by checking the Python version with python 3-version. This ensures that the upgrade was successful. Lastly, regarding the user's question about the Unix subsystem location, the files for the Windows Subsystem for Linux can typically be found in the file system under the path C, users, your username, app data packages, just canonical group limited.ubuntu on Windows the hat, local state, rootfs. Fun fact, did you know that Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python? So if you ever feel stuck, just remember to keep it lighthearted. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests searching your Start menu for Bash to open a command prompt within Ubuntu. You can't drag and drop files directly from Explorer, but you might use a Linux file app with X11 installed. To upgrade Python, simply run the command sudo apt-get install python 3 in the Bash terminal. Here's that quick tip I promised. Consider using a version manager like PyenV. It makes switching between Python versions super easy and hassle-free. And there you have it. You should now be able to upgrade your Python version with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tech tips and remember to keep exploring the world of Python.